Hello everybody, my name is Ezra Garza and welcome back. So, on today's video, what we're going to be talking about is a little something I have yeah. So, usually whenever you're young and you're free, you're able to stay up till immense amount of hours, right? According to society, right? Had those fantastic partios, you know, all chilling and stuff. Well, here's how I am when it gets to a certain hour of the day. Ezra, you alright? Yeah, mate, you seem like you're kind of tired there. Yeah, I'm fine. Sure? I like to do. Yeah. Woo! Let's go. Twister! Alright, let's do it. I can't handle it. I cannot handle being out after a certain time. Alright? It doesn't work with me, it doesn't work with my body. My mind's just kinda to that function to where it's like, you have a bedtime to go to, you know, that little 10 o'clock there at night. Please go to bed at that time so that we can be refreshed for tomorrow morning. Thank you. And then I'm over here just like I can see our problem here. See this thing that I have to deal with. I can't stay up. I need help. And like I can't even get up with caffeine or water or anything that's supposed to make you get up. I don't even know. Like especially in a face of water. I'm good for maybe 5 more minutes. After that, I'm no good. No. And caffeine does nothing. Coffee does nothing, which has caffeine, I guess. But what am I supposed to do? Help! I can't live my young life outside this world if I cannot stay up later than 10. Well, it's only that I can't stay up later than 10 whenever it is outside doing activities. I guess sometimes I find myself... Alright, let's do this. Alright. Liking it. Ooh, yes. Yeah, I can't get away from that. Only sometimes though. Other times I'm just like... Come on, Ezra. Come on. Focus. Alright. Today, during lecture, we found a dog. Yes. Good. Found a cute dog. It was very cute. It was very adorable, and you know, it had various fluffy and you know. Yeah. Then a bunch of nonsense gets on there, and we don't have a really good time, do we? Oop. But anyway, did any of y'all have this problem out there? Please let me know. I mean, is it just my genes or something within me that's making me do this, or is it just something that's become popular nowadays? Get some sleep, because dear Lord, it's so just like, how do people stay up until 4 in the morning? I don't know how you do it. Like you gotta have like a lot of patience and still be able to do something functional too. I mean, write a freaking essay. I mean, jeez. I mean, gonna give you some claps for that, but jeez, I don't know how you do it. Tell me your secrets. Tell me now. But anyway, again, let me know. Do y'all stay up till freaking 5 in the morning or even 1 or 2 in the morning? Do y'all have problems just staying up in general? Do y'all find yourself falling asleep at like 9 or 10? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, yeah, y'all are still there. Sorry. Bye.